Today I'm going to show you how to change a windshield wiper on a 2000 Chevy Blazer. Now this will also work on a Chevy, the S10, the Silverado, and a few of the other vehicles they have. Depending on the year, they may have a different configuration, but if you have this configuration, this is an easy way of putting this wiper on. And for those of you who have done this before, you already know what to do. But for somebody trying it the first time, or maybe you're getting a little tied up with it, the instructions that come with these wipers, I don't know, I don't find them to be the best. Now, okay, let me have the key, John. What I'm going to do now is go into the car. I'm going to have the windshield wiper in the upward position just to make it easier. Don't have to start it, just turn the ignition on. Turn your wipers on. And when the wiper comes to the top position, you want to shut it off. All right. This will be an upcoming video soon. This pin on the door pulled right out, and it looks like somebody repaired this once before. Anyway, back to the wipers. My assistant Johnny's going to help me today. He's going to do all the videoing for me. Come on here, John. Okay, just hold this over here for a second. Now the first thing I'm going to do is to put a towel over the windshield. Johnny, get this over here. Okay, I have this towel over the windshield. I'm going to double it up. Did you see what I'm doing? Yeah. Okay, now I'm pulling the up, and this is just to make it easier to see what you're doing it to work on. You can see this windshield wiper is done. If you look at the book, you'll get the right wiper, but you want to make sure that the piece you have matches the piece that's in here. Now some of them have a pin and it's a different configuration. Some of them also have a little like latch over here that you have to open up. This one isn't that way. Come to the side, John. Could you see in there?
Yep.
Could you see this?
Yep.
In here, there's a pin that you press down. This was so dried out that when I pressed it, it cracked. Normally it won't crack, but all you do is you press this in, because you press this in, it's a lock, and you just slide it right down. It comes out, huh? Okay, it comes out that easy. That's it. To put the new one in, just look at what you have. Just hold it here, keep it up there. Okay, look at what you have, and you're gonna see this loop. You're gonna slide it in. Let me get this just for a minute, John. You're gonna slide it in. Where am I? Okay, this loop slides right into here, and here's that little lock. When you go to take it off the next time, there's that little tab that broke off on the old one. This tab will lock it in. Okay, John, you can drop that towel, John. Okay, I had an extra towel over here. You want to be careful. Show this, John, up here. You showing it? You want to be careful. Don't turn your key on, and be sure not to let this slam. With this slamming down, you could crack your windshield. If you have it down and turn that key on, it will scratch the windshield. So keep a towel here for safety reasons, and this will slide right in right now. Okay, is that in there? Close to it. Okay, I want to make sure you see this. You have this opening. You just get into, you just slide in that loop. Look at it, John. Slide that loop in there and pull up. I don't know if you heard that click. Once you hear it click, you see it? It's in there. That's all it is to it. Give it a tug, push it up and down. Make sure that it's locked in. You don't want this coming off in the middle of a rainstorm and to fly off your car. Now you don't have a wiper. That's it. That's all there is to it. Okay. John, go inside and turn that key for me. Don't start the car, just turn it part way. Put it down. Turn it part way, John. Okay.
I did.
Okay, turn the knob over here. Again, turn it. Okay, now turn it off. Now turn it on again. Turn it off. And that's all there is to it. It's a 60-second job, and if you're running into any kind of trouble, just stop, look at what the new one looks like, and you should be able to figure it out. The instructions that come with this, I find them to be lacking. Well, that's a wrap. If you found this video useful or have any questions or comments, be sure to post them down below. Give it a like, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe. I have an Amazon affiliate link down below. If you don't have Amazon, you could get it for 30 days free. You could try it and use it, and if you don't want it before the 30 days is up, cancel it out and you won't owe anything. If you do enjoy it, it's a $12 and change a month subscription fee. But try that link if you don't have Amazon, and if you do have Amazon, I have links posted down below where you could pick these wipers up. I paid almost $16 for this one, and it's not a top-of-the-line wiper. On Amazon, they had these wipers, 2 for $16, 2 for $17, all different prices. I have a link for the wiper motor, the wiper solenoid, and a rear wiper motor if you need one. And if you should need anything else on Amazon, if you go through my link, it doesn't cost you any more than if you went on without it. But I do get a small commission from it, and it helps with my channel and helps support the channel. Giving it a like, commenting, passing it along, using the Amazon link is a great help, and I really appreciate it if you could use it. So until next time, stay safe.